Wave phenomena, whether it be light or sound, can act as very rich channels for the propagation of information. Just consider how much information is conveyed in a typical radio or television signal, and you'll get the idea. The richness comes from encoding information in multiple independent channels, including wavelength, amplitude, and variation in either or both through time, temporal modulation. This is one reason why our own senses of vision and hearing are so highly developed. Tremendous selective value can accrue to organisms that can exploit information most extensively. They do this through manipulating light, through pigments and other ways to generate novel colors and color patterns. Light can also be self-generated, bioluminescence in a word. As you watch the videos to follow, I would like you to keep three things in mind. First, what is it about light that enables information to be encoded so richly in it? How does this relate to wave phenomena in general as media of communication? And why should this be selectively favored? Second, how is it that the properties of light can be exploited by living things to encode information? In other words, how does life manipulate light to convey information? What's the nature of living color, and how does it come about? And finally, how is it that life can generate its own light? Is communication the only reason why living things can do so? Or is self-generated light the outcome of something else entirely, which living things have exploited to the ends of communication?